Everyone. Today I want to sharing how to change the fluorescent chain to the LED. So save your money and save your power consumption, and also extend the lifespan, and even though it give you more brightness. We remove the starter, turn and pull out. Remove the starter, and there's a balance, or some people call transformer. So we see the red color. Red color is this one. So we follow this here. That means this one is alive. So we change this wire to here. You just unscrew, unplug, and put together. Here. Then you just change the tube. That's all.